Good morning, everybody. It is Mindy, and I am here with a video. I'm in a funny mood, so this could be interesting. If you're new here, enjoy. I hope you enjoy, and you come back and you see more stuff, because sometimes it's funny and sometimes it's not. Anyhow, for everybody who's returning, you already know. Thank you for coming back. I have some stuff to show you from DIYCHOOSE, because you can choose it. Right? Okay, let's show you what I have. Here we go. This was in a collection of multiple items. You know how they like to do that? They'll give you a whole bunch of things. They're similar, and that's where this was, in a collection of similar items. So I liked it. It was kind of different. It's like a wreath of sorts, you know, a wreath of flowers. It's a ring of flowers with butterflies. So I liked it. And it's got special drills, a lot of them here. I like to look at, I like to zoom in. When I look at a picture, I zoom in on it and I kind of check it out and I'm like, I look for a couple things. How many big specials does it have? Does it have slivers? If it does, how many? I like to check it out before I choose. I get choosy when I choose. This one has 13 different shapes. All right, 13 different drills. Let's look at it. Make sure you check out all of the options. If it's a group listing, check out all the options. All right. Here we go. What do we have? Well, let's start off with some clear crystals. You hear the wind chimes? I know, they're going crazy. Blue, a limeish green color, a purple, a yellow, a red, a little bit of black, another blue. Then we have some round faceted gold. Oh, these are cool. These are iridescent purple teardrops. Those are nifty. I like those. We have some purple marquee. Then we have some like aquamarine teardrops. Those are pretty. And some AB marquees. Love them. Pretty. Smashing some specials, folks. Smashing. You guys are going crazy with the smashing the specials. As I'm recording this, it's like week 2 of smashing the specials. And whoa, you guys went all out on week 1. Let me tell you. That's what your toolkit will look like with most of these kits. They give you what you need there. And then look at this. I love these. I recently had a cardinal like this, just like this. Except it was a cardinal. I love these. These are so pretty. Look at all these 7s. He's like sitting in the berry patch, right? So we're going to have all these berries, all these specials on his wing here. I think it's going to be super pretty. These are perfect for cutting out. You want to cut it out, mount it on something of a different color so everything will pop. It will be so much fun. This only has 7 different colors. I'm wondering if this is going to be black AB around the outside. We'll find out in a second. 7 different drills. What are they? What are they? No, I haven't looked. I haven't peeked. This one's a 30 by 30. I think they all are. Yeah, I think everything I have here is a 30 by 30. Well, almost everything. Yep, black AB. And look how blue they're looking. That's going to be perfect with this painting. They're taking on blue and green. That's going to be great. That's like a gray, a pretty green, a very pretty blue, and a clear. And then here's the special ones. There's our berries, and here's the wings. There's just 2, but I think they're going to be beautiful. I think they're going to be beautiful. What do you think? I like it. I like it a lot. All right. Had to get this crazy guy. Had to get him, right? Isn't he fun? He's like the desert owl. He looks so much fun. I mean, look at all these special drills here and around his eyes. He's got a little crazed look in his eye, doesn't he? Look, his eyes don't even match. They're different. But I thought he was going to be just fun to do. He's got this beautiful background of mountains, and I just thought it was fun. I like it. I'm into the owl thing. You know, 8 different drills for this one. I'm working on an owl as we speak. Well, not as we speak, like I'm not doing it right now, but you know, I'm working on an owl. I've been working on it all morning long while I was recording my whip and jet. All right, here we go. What do we have? What do we have? We have clear rhinestones, very bold yellow, orange, green, and a pink. I mean, that just screams desert. Does it scream desert to you? It's screaming desert. Okay. We have some yellow shards. Oh, yeah, they're going to go down in here and over here. The yellow shards. Oh, there's one there too. We have some beautiful iridescent marquee, clear variety, and some pretty pink. They're smooth. That's going to go on his body. These are going to go on his body, and those are going to go on his body. That one and that one in here. Love it. Love it, love it. He's cute. He's a little wild child. All right. We have a butterfly. I don't know if I have this one. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of butterflies like this. And then there's new ones that are different. And I don't know. I'm getting all confused by which butterflies I have and which ones I don't. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go through everything and just pull out all the butterflies. That's what I'm going to do. And see if I have multiples. But look at all the specials. All these flowers are going to have special drill. We're going to get some special drill through here. It's going to be pretty. There's 9 different drills. This one's all blues and pinks. And I think it's going to be stunning. They're so pretty when you put the special drills on them. They're so sparkly. They're just like, wow. Wow. All right. What do we have in this batch? What do we have? We got pretty stuff. So we have a bunch of blues because, I mean, really, it's blue butterfly, blue flowers. Okay, so blue, 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 3 different blues. A very light purple, a very pale yellow, a peach. That's it for the rhinestones. Then we have a larger, bold yellow. All right, that's going to be the centers of these flowers. And then we have these. These are gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. They're faceted. They're marquee. They're beautiful. And then we have some small blue little dots. I bet they're going to go in here. Isn't that pretty? I really do need to just get out all of the butterflies and see what I have. That requires going through 2 boxes and 1 tote. Yeah, that's what I have now. A Rubbermaid tote full. 1 paper box, you know, like paper comes in, is full. And I'm working on another one. Help me, help me, help me. All right, these looked fun. These are something different. These looked fun. Hey, does it count for my smashing the specials if grandkids help me? Does that count? I mean, I'm still there. I'm still helping. I'm supervising and all that. It counts. I have 2 toolkits with that. Well, there you go. Bonus drills. These are stickers. They're stickers. Okay. Want to see them? Butterflies. Oh, butterflies with lilies. That one's pretty. These are lilies. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So you drill everything on here, and then these peel off. There's a place right here where you can peel off this whole little sticker, I think. Yeah, it comes off, and it will outline all of that. That's cool. What would you put them on? I don't know. Maybe you put them on a piece of paper, and then you put them in a frame or something. They would make a nice little collage-y type thing. Look at that one. That one's very purpley. Purpley. It's interesting. The butterfly is oriented this way, but the symbols are this way. Very pretty. So that's the second one. Look at that one. Wow. I love these. These are cool. I like them. I like them a lot. Is this one all pink? Let's see. Pink. Well, almost. Pink and purple. Pretty. Pretty. They're all like that. The symbols are this way, are oriented that way, but the butterfly's that way. That's kind of interesting. Aren't they pretty though? Wouldn't they make a nice little, in a frame, something like that? You know what I'm saying? I mean, once you take these off and you put them on like, you know, 1 piece of paper or something, I think they'd be beautiful. I wouldn't do them like that though. I'd do them like that. Or like that. Or anyhow, that'd be fun. I think it would make a nice little framed, you know, if it, probably in a, not 8 by 10, maybe, I don't know, 11 by 14, something like that, 10 by 13. Who knows? I don't know how many special drills are in here or if it's all rhinestones. It almost looks like it's just all rhinestones. I think it is. All right, let's look at them. Lots of different colors. Pretty purple, yellow, a green, a pink, an orange. That's another pink. It's a dark pink. That's a light green, another purple, blue, a pink, a purple. They're all different purples and pinks. A peach, a darker peach, another purple, a very light purple, and that beauty right there. Yep, all rhinestones on that. Everything's a rhinestone. Wow, that's a lot of colors, isn't it? And they're all different. Okay, I think it would make a stunning little arrangement, you know what I'm saying, to put in a frame like that. I think that would be really cool. It is time to go through the butterflies. I mean, it's going to be work. It's a lot of paintings to go through. Everybody asks me all the time, how many do you have? And I'm like, I have no idea. No idea. But I have a lot that are butterflies, right? Look, right here's 1, 2, 3 things that are butterflies. Butterflies and birds and flowers. That's my thing. Butterflies, birds, and flowers. Butterflies, birds, and flowers. That's kind of my thing, right? Pretty. So you keep smashing them specials. I'm smashing mine. I'm done recording, I think, for the day. I should do one more because Dale's gone. I should do one more, right? Power through. Do one more. And then I really don't have anything left to film, actually. Then it would be just edit and upload. Wow, did I just say that? Nothing left to film? That's crazy. Okay, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this idea. Or this idea, or that idea. Anyhow, I'm going to let you go now. And I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. And I'm going to try to get a few things done here really quick before I go to the dentist. Okay, have a great day, everybody. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.